Hello and welcome to our new Holler tutorial where I'm going to be showing you how to create a 3D model, throw rig on that 3D model, then we're going to throw motion capture on that same model. We're going to have it moving with some real life motion capture. Then we're going to track some footage. You can track your own footage, whichever you want to do. Then we're going to throw your creation with the motion capture data on it and throw it on top of that track footage. Then you're going to have this scene where you're going to have your 3D creature on top of real life footage. Then you can render it out and then we can adjust the lighting on the creature and it's going to look great. We're going to do all this in 2-minute clips where we create the creature. We're going to throw a rig on it. Then I want to have a fine-tuning episode. We can actually fine-tune the rig to better suit your creature. That's optional. And then we're going to throw motion capture on the rig. We're going to track footage. We're going to throw the creature on top of the scene. Then we're going to render it out. Follow these videos. They're going to be quick. They're going to be easy to follow. And we're going to have something really cool by the time we're finished. So let's get right to it.